I sat staring at a blank wall. Silence felt heavy. Why is humanity so fragmented, split into endless labels? I looked at my hands, then the window. Nature does not always need duality to reproduce. Some organisms simply divide. Yet here we are, trapped in this restless dance of opposites. The weight of it hit me like a physical force. I stood up and walked toward the mirror, searching for something more than just a face in the glass. I saw my reflection not as a person, but as a lens. What if separation is the mechanism of creation? Consciousness cannot know itself in a vacuum. It needs a stage. It needs contrast. To know heat, you must know cold. To know love, you must know loss. Each person outside is a different angle of the same source, exploring the infinite boundaries of identity. We are individual waves rising from the same water. This chaos is not a collapse, but the sound of infinity expanding. Division is no longer a prison. It is a masterpiece.